What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another video on the Trawick Garage YouTube channel. Today I just wanted to film just kind of a quick simple video on the C7 and just kind of show you guys the exhaust modes for the NPP Dual-Mode Exhaust. So that was one option that I really wanted when I was picking out this car, was to get the NPP. I think it's like $800 when you do get it from GM, but in my opinion it's a really good option to get. It really does improve the sound of the Corvette just from the factory. Now eventually I probably will get an aftermarket exhaust system on this, but just for the time being I did want something that sounded kind of good, and that's why I chose the NPP. So I'm going to dive in and show you guys all the different modes, kind of do a cold start, warm start, switch in between the modes, and just kind of show off what the NPP exhaust from Chevrolet can do. I think that's going to do it for this one. Again, just a short and simple video. I know there's probably 100 other videos out there, demonstrating this, but I just kind of wanted to do it with mine for anybody that's viewing the channel, and just kind of document everything that I'm doing with the ownership of this Corvette, and that was kind of included in it. So if you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe, leave me a comment what you want to see next with this car. We're going to probably start doing a build here before too long, so let me know what you want to see. And also, again, subscribe. It'll help grow the channel, get us to where we want to go, and be able to do some really cool stuff with this car and all the other cars in the collection. So thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one.